Hey friends, let's jump straight in. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. Starting on the F power chord, and the first one's a little bit different. We're going to play the F 2 times, then 3 palm mutes on the 8 on the A, 1, 2, 3, and then 10, D, G, and B. So we 2 palm mutes again on the A, 8th fret, and then play 10 D, 9 on the G, 8 on the B. 1 palm mute, play it again, 3 palm mutes on the A, 1, 2, 3, and then play it again. So then we're going to do the same pattern again, 2 on the A, and then 10 on the D, 8 on the G, and 9 on the B. Palm mute, play it again, 3 palm mutes, play it again. Then we're coming back to a D sharp 2 times, and then go 5 on the A, 8 on the D, and we're playing 7 on the G 2 times. So let me do that first part slowly for you. Then we're going back to the F, but we're going to do it the same way we've done the other picking. So repeat the rest again. To our D sharp. Then the second guitar is going to come in, and we'll have a look at that in a minute. We just play the F once and then palm mute 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're playing the 8, 10, 9, 8, same chord as before, 6 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 8, 10, 8, 9, 6 palm mutes, and finish it the same as before. And do that 2 times. Now let's have a look at the second guitar. So we're starting the third time through, and we're just arpeggio picking, play 8 on the A, and then 10 on the B, G, D, and again B, D, G, and then B, D. And then 8 on the B, 9 on the G, 10 on the D, and 2 times, so 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, and then 8B, 10D. And then 9 on the B, 8 on the G, 10 on the D, and again, so 2 times there, and then finish the same we did on the first guitar. And just do that through 2 times there. And they're all our parts of the intro. So we're just starting on the C, and we're going to slide up the D power chord and play it another 2 times, and do that twice. Then go to the F power chord, slide up to the G, play G 2 times. Now the second time we're going to do F, slide up to G, slide up to A, slide back to G. And we just repeat that 2 times there. So. Again. And that's our verse there. So for our chorus, it's the same riff we used for the intro. The first one's going to be a little bit different. We play the F, mute, F, 3 mutes on the A, and then the 10 D, G and B, and then the rest stays the same. We play it through once. So. Then we just go to our palm muting like we did in the intro 2 times. And do that part there 2 times. Now guitar 2 starts the second time and we're doing again the same as the intro, the arpeggio picking. And then to our finish. And just do that part through 2 times and that's our chorus. From there we go back to the verse and that's exactly the same. So for our bridge we've gone for a clean guitar and played 3 on the A, 5 on the D, 4 on the G, open B and E. And then just come back and fret 2 on the A, 4 on the D, 4 on the G, open B and E. And then an A sus2, open A, 2 on the D, 2 on the G, open B and E. And just do that through 2 times there. And that's our bridge there. So our second chorus changes a little bit. It's the same riff as our intro riff and our chorus riff before, but we're just coming back a fret. So instead of doing it on the F, we're doing it on the E here. So come back to the D this time. And we just play that through 2 times, and that's our second chorus there. So we're just starting on A power chord and 3 times, then to the B power chord do the same, C power chord the same, then come up to the D, we're going to play it, mute, play it, so, then play open A, 3rd fret E, 2nd fret E, go to an E power chord, open, mute, to an F sharp, do the same, open, mute, to the G, same, to an A, the same, then we're going to the B, we're going to play open, mute, open, and then come up to the C, do the same, D the same, then just drop back to an E power chord, we're going to play the open, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, palm muted, F sharp the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G the same, then we're coming up to an A, play it 2 times, mute off, and then mutes to finish the bars, and a slide there, and that's our solo rhythm, and we'll look at our solo at the end. From there we just go back to the verse and that's exactly the same. Then we have our bridge and that's the same except we do it 4 times. Do that 4 times there and let's have a look at guitar 2 as well. So our second guitar, we're just doing the 5th fret harmonic. We go E, B, G, D, A. Then we're playing 4 on the G, 5 on the B, and we're just palm muting for a bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 8th notes, and then 4G, 4B, same again, 3 and 4 and then go to 2 on the G, open B for a bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then play open E, open B, 2nd fret G 2 times, and then E, B. Then we repeat that again, 4 and 5, 4 and 4, then go back to our 2 and open, just go 1 and 2 and then open E, B, 2nd fret G, 2nd fret on the D there, and that's our bridge. So for our last chorus, we're just playing our second chorus again on the E. Do that again. Then we're going to do a stop, so we're going to play the D up to the E. Stop. Then from our stop, go back to the riff again 2 times. Two times, and then to finish off, the arpeggio picking starts and we're just playing the chord and palm muting again. Guitar 1's going to do that to the end, and guitar 2 is just going to do the arpeggio picking. And keep repeating that to the end. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're going to start on the E, do 15, pull off to 12, jump to 13 on the B, pull off to 12, hammer on to 13, back to 12 on the E, and then we repeat that pattern. We're going to do it 2 times. And then do 15, pull off to 12, do 13 on the B, 12 on the G, back to 13, 12, hammer on to 15, back to 12, 13 on the B, 12 on the G. So just a little major sweep there. Then we're going to do exactly the same thing but on 17 on the E, 14. So 2 times there. Then we're doing a minor one. We're going to do 19, pull off to 15 on the E, B, 17, 15, 17, back to 15 on the E, hammer on to 19, and we're going to do that 2 times. And then 19, 15, 17 on the B, 16 on the G. Then we're going to play 17 on the E, hammer onto 22, pull off to 17, play 19B and 19G there. Then we're sliding up to 12 on the E, play 11G, 14 on the A to D, 12, bend 14, 12. Then G, 14, 16, 14. B, 14, 15, 14, E, 14, 15, 14, bend the 15, just play 15, 14, 17 on the B. Then we have this little pedal tone, we're going to go 11G, 12B, 10G, 12B, 9 on the G, 12B, 12 on the D, 12 on the B to 9 on the D. Then we're going to do 16G, 17B, 15 on the G, 17B, so another little pedal tone. And then 14 pull off to 12G, D, 14, 12, 14. And then do 12, hammer on to 13, hammer on to 14 on the A, D, 12, 14, G, 12, B, 13, bend 14 on the G, then bend to 14 again, B, 12, 13, do that again, 14, 12, 13, bend to 14 again, 12 on the B, this time go to E, 14, 15, bend to 15, 14, 15, and then we're doing 14, hammer on to 15, pull off to 14, pull off to 12. 15B, 12 on the E, 13B, 15B, and then 13, 15, 13, 12. Hammer on some pull offs again. Then to finish off, 14G, 14B, 14G, slide back to 12, 12B, 12G, slide back to 11, 10 on the B, 10 on the G, slide back to 9 and 8, and we're holding our second finger on the 8 there. And then you can just use your bar. And there are all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Scared Guitar Lesson by Dangerous Toys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. And I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.